Hello student, today topics is refraction at a spherical surface, that is convex spherical surface when object is in rarer medium and image form is real. Actually we are going to derive the relation minus mu1 by u plus mu2 by v equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Let O be the point object placed on the principal axis in the rarer medium or reference index mu1. After refraction at point A, the refracted ray bends towards normal and meet the principal axis at I. I is the real image of the point object O, and mu2 be the reference index of denser medium. OA is the incident ray, AI be the refracted ray, and S is the normal. Alpha, beta and gamma be the angle made by incident ray, refracted ray and normal with the principal axis. AN is drawn perpendicular to the principal axis. From triangle AOC we have, you see the triangle AOC, alpha and gamma be the interior angle and I be the exterior angle. As you know, sum of these two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So we can write I equal to alpha plus gamma. Since alpha and gamma are very small angles, therefore I equal to tan of alpha plus tan of gamma we can write, since tan alpha approximate equal to alpha and tan gamma approximate equal to gamma. So if angles alpha and gamma are very small, so we can write tan alpha plus tan gamma. Again you see the triangle tan alpha, so AN perpendicular, ON base, so we can write I equal to perpendicular AN by base is ON, and gamma AN perpendicular NC base, so AN by NC. Since aperture of the refracting surface is very small, so that is P is very close to, N is very close to P, so we can write ON is approximately to PO and NC is approximately equal to PC. So we can write AN by ON is PO plus AN by PC. This is equation number 1. Now from triangle AIC, now see triangle AIC, AIC, R and beta be the interior angles and gamma be the exterior angles. So gamma equal to, we can write gamma equal to R plus beta. So R equal to gamma minus beta. Same way, gamma and beta are very small angles, so we can write tan of gamma minus tan of beta. Again tan gamma AN by NC, tan gamma AN by, you see the diagram, AN by NC tan gamma, and tan beta is AN by NI. Tan beta AN by NI. Again aperture of the refracting surface is very small, so NC we can write approximately equal to PC, Ni can write approximately Pi. So An by Pc minus An by Pi. Equation number 2. According to Snell's law, we have sin of I by sin of R equal to mu2 by mu1. So mu1 sin of I equal to mu2 sin of R. Again, I and R are very small angles. So sin of I approximately I and sin of R approximately equal to R. So we can write mu1 I equal to mu2 R. Equation number 3. Now we are substituting the value of I and R from equation 1 and 2 in equation 3. Now substituting the values of I and R from equation 1 and 2 in equation 3, we get mu1 I value An by Po plus An by Pc. An by Po plus An by Pc. Again from equation 2, An by Pc minus An by Pi. An by Pc minus An by Pi. Now you see both sides An cancel. An if you take common it will cancel. So mu1 by Po plus mu1 by Pc, just multiplying by mu1 Pc, mu2 by Pc minus mu2 by Pi. Equation number 4. According to sign conventions, we have Po equal to minus u, object distance, Pc plus R, and Pi plus B. Hence, equation 4 becomes mu1 by minus u plus mu1 by R, Pc is R, mu2 by R, Pc is R, minus mu2 by Pi is plus B. So minus mu1 by u, we are bringing minus mu2 by v in left hand side. So plus mu2 by v equal to mu2 by r, this mu2 by r minus this plus transfer right side, so it becomes minus mu1 by r minus mu1 by u plus mu2 by v equal to r is common, r you take common or LCM, so mu2 minus mu1. This is the required derivation at spherical at convex spherical refracting surface. When object is rarer medium and image formed at denser medium, then the relation will be minus mu1 by u plus mu2 by v equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. That is refraction from rarer to denser medium. So just by looking this equation, you have to understand that refraction occurs from rarer medium to denser medium. If refraction occurs from rarer medium to denser medium, so this equation is all good, or this is the required expression when refraction occurs from rarer medium to denser medium. Thank you.